Alright, next up, question number 6. So question 6 is, what is under root of or square root of 60? So the square root questions, for the square root questions, we need to start by doing prime factorization, and then we can try and form pairs. So if we're able to form a pair of 2, we know that it's a square of that number and it can come out of the square root. So question 6, square root of 60. So the square root of 60 would be by first doing the prime factors. I know I will start by 2 always, so 2 is actually a prime factor. So if we do it this way, 60, then 2, I'm left with 30. Then I try 2 again, and again it is a prime factor, so I get 15. And then I try 3. Since 2 is no longer applicable, I am left with 5, and then finally 5, and then 1. So from this we know that 60 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So the square root of 60 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, all under the square root. Now since 2 is being multiplied twice, we can write that as 2 square, and then 3 doesn't have a pair and 5 doesn't have a pair, so we can just multiply them together. So this becomes 2 square times 15. Now since 2 is being squared and it's inside a square root, it can actually come out of the square root. So this becomes the final answer, 2 root of 15. There are a few empirical ways which we can use to calculate the final value of root 15, which will likely be between 3 and 4, closer to 4, since 4 square is equal to 16 and 3 square is equal to 9. But we won't be discussing that in this question. So perfect, the prime factors are correct, and then the pairs, 2 comes out, 2 to 15.